How do you import keywords into Listing Builder, and why is this important, and how can it make you money? Well, this is the essence of using Listing Builder. If you're simply creating your listing in Amazon Seller Central, there's really no need to use Listing Builder. The whole point of using Listing Builder is to ensure that you're using all of your main keywords, secondary keywords, and supplementary terms, all organized in a way that optimizes for the Amazon algorithm. That's exactly what Listing Builder helps you to do. So now, where do these keywords come from? Now you can have your own list, but ideally you've gathered a lot of these words from using Helium 10 tools. But I'm going to go ahead and actually show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into the Listing Builder AI tool, and you're going to go up to the top right and click Add a Listing, and then you'll get Create from Scratch and hit Get Started. And then once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to hit Start Building, okay? And then once you want to start building, the first thing you're going to need to do is you need to add keywords. Now, the first thing I would say is just, I'm going to go to Cerebro because I have my list on Cerebro, and I'm going to click on, say I've done my keyword research and I have a bunch of lists. You can use an Excel file to have your list. You can do a bunch of different ways, but I'm just going to go ahead and export this data by copying it to a clipboard, and that's going to copy all of these keywords. And then I'm going to go into Listing Builder, and I'm going to hit manually add keywords, and I'm going to hit paste. And then I'm going to click on add to bank. And then once they're added, they're going to show all over here in this keyword bank along with the search volume. And then I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now, what this does is automatically basically take these keyword phrases that we entered in and then deduplicates them basically for a 1-word route, or that it makes it into 2-word routes or 3-word routes. So for example, coffin is used multiple times in these phrases. So you have it listed here one time as a 1-word route. Now you can also look at 2-word routes, like coffin shelf, that's probably used many times. And you can also look at 3-word routes as well. So you can kind of get an idea of, how to utilize and use most of these phrases in your actual copy. Basically, this is a really important step in optimizing your listing. You want to do the keyword research, and you spend a lot of time doing that, but then you want to actually write in those keywords into your listing. If you don't write those keywords, the key terms and the phrases into your listing, you're not going to index for them. And if you don't index for them, you won't show up on Amazon in any of the organic or sponsored ranks. So what you need to do is make sure that you have all the important keywords written, even at least if you do kind of the root words, written into your listing so you can index, and then you can run sponsored ads, and you can also rank for those keywords organically. So go ahead and start getting your keyword lists ready, and go ahead and import them into Listing Builder.